What if I told you there's a way to bring romance to your boring, lifeless photos? Today, I'll show you how to use two powerful tools to add a kissing effect to your photos. And that too, for free, and no Iron Man skills needed. And if you stay till the end, there's an extra surprise that'll give your images a voice. Let's dive right into it. First up, we have image2video.ai. It's a free tool with several trending AI effects. Just go to the image2video.ai in your browser and click AI Kiss Video Generator. You can either upload two separate images or one image with two persons in it. Just upload your image and adjust the size of the image. Now, hit Generate Video. Give it a couple of minutes to work its magic, and your animation will be ready to share. Secondly, we have Luma AI. It is among the most popular platforms for generating AI videos and images. Just head over to lumalabs.ai and upload your photo with the characters. Write a prompt describing what to do with the image and hit Generate, and Luma will handle the rest. Within minutes, you'll have a unique animation ready to go. Now, let's take things further by turning your kissing video into a romantic story with Wondershare Virbo's AI avatar generator. Go to Virbo using the link in the description and click on Create AI Avatar Video. Simply upload your AI kissing video, write a script narrating your love story, and select an AI avatar. You can even add subtitles and music to enhance the mood. Now hit Export, and your romantic story will be ready in minutes. Want to make your photo talk? Use the Virbo AI Talking Photo feature. Choose your photo, input the text you want to narrate, and choose your preferred AI voiceover. You'll have a video that doesn't just show your feelings, but speaks them. Excited to try these tools? Hit that like button if this sparks some creative ideas for your own animations. And if you want to see more tips like this, go ahead and subscribe. Who knows what kind of AI magic we will explore next?